back to my channel, and today we're going to be talking about turnarounds. Not jazz turnarounds, blues turnarounds. The things you put at the end of the 12 bars. Like that. Right there. As discussed in the intro, today we're going to be learning about turnarounds. What is a turnaround? A turnaround is something that a blues player plays at the end of a 12-bar phrase. It kind of wraps everything up into a nice little neat bow and tells the audience and tells the band that the progression is about to start over again. So here's some of the famous turnarounds we're going to be learning today and that you might likely hear on harmonica. So here's one. Or the fancy version of that same one. Or here's some really famous ones. Or so there's just a few. The hardest part about turnarounds is getting used to putting them in the right spot. When I was first starting out, I was able to do it when the music was playing. But if I was playing by myself, when I got to the spot where the turnaround was, sometimes I would be a little bit early or I would be a little bit late, and then that would cause me to start the progression over with a little early or a little late, throwing off the time, throwing off the audience, throwing off everything. So the first thing we have to learn is how to count the bars. In blues, most of the time, bars are counted in fours because we're working in 4/4 time. So we're dealing with 1, 2, 3, 4, new bar, 2, 3, 4, new bar, 2, 3, 4. We have to learn the 12-bar progression as it relates to a 1/4/5 to begin learning how to put our turnarounds in. So the first 4 bars are of 1, then bars 5 and 6 are the 4 chord, and then it goes back to the 1 chord for 2 bars. Now here's where we start figuring out what to do. On bar 9 is generally where the 5 chord happens, so for just 4 beats, I'm on the 5 chord or bar 9, and then on bar 10, I go to the 4 chord, and then I go back to the 1 chord for 2 remaining bars. It's usually there that the turnaround either begins or it ends on the end of bar 12. So you can do a long turnaround that goes all the way through those 8 beats. Bar 9, bar 10, 1. Right, all the way through. Right, or I could do just a short one. So let me explain to you exactly where you want to land on the 5 chord. What the band is doing, what the progression is often doing, is it's playing 6 beats of 1 and 2 tiny beats of 5 at the end of bar 12. So it's bum, 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 bum. I just want to get in that 5 chord on the last 2 beats. I can do anything I want leading up to that, or any lick. What we hear like Sonny Boy often doing is just hanging on 2 draw and then landing on the 5 draw on the last 2 beats of bar 12. Or something like, sometimes he would make a funny noise like that, right? Just for clowning, right? And then you can also hit the 2 draw bend on the way down. Right, you'll hear me do that a lot. Dennis, Mark Hummel, everybody, Kim, right? So anyway, that's where you put the turnaround. And that is by far harder to learn than any of the turnarounds I'm about to show you. So let's go through a couple of the turnarounds. Once you find out where to put them, once you start to get a feel for where they go, now you can start learning a couple of them. So let's start with this one. 2 draw, 3 draw. You can bend the 3 draw if you want to get nasty. 4 blow, 3 draw, bent or unbent, 2 draw, 2 draw double bend, 1 draw. So one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So again, I want to practice getting that in, coming from that 5 chord on bar 9 into that 4 chord on bar 10, and then starting that turnaround to get to the last 2 beats of bar 12. Starting that at the beginning of bar 11. So. What I'm doing is sort of practicing looping bar 9 and bar 10, 5 chord, 4 chord, and then 2 measures of 1 to get that turnaround over and over and over and over again, and driving into my head that I got to come out of 5, 5, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, put the turnaround here, ba ba da da. 5, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, put the turnaround here now, Papa. 5, 5. 5, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, put the turnaround here now, 5, 5. Just so you know, 5, the 5 chord is 1 draw or 4 draw. There's other notes that you can hit there, but let's just start there. So. Say I was playing a rumba bass line. That's that little 5 at the end. It's just a little tag that you put on. Back to the last turnaround that we learned. I'm gonna do now is put in a little bit of pedal point kind of thing. Draw, draw, draw. So 3 draw, 2 draw, 3 draw, 4 blow, 3 blow, 4 blow, 3 draw, 2 draw, 3 draw, and then ba ba da da. So from the 5. Again. It's something you hear Cotton do a lot, Little Walter. It's also a cool lick. Maybe another video. So there's 2 different turnarounds. Number 1 and 2. And just again, practice coming out of your 5 chord. 4, 1, 5, 4, 1. There you go. Even simpler. 5, 4, 1. That's it. So it's that last 2 beats that you want to tag the 5 chord. And you'll see the guitar player or the piano player actually do the same thing. Let's learn a couple more. So here's a fancy one. This one, I don't know if anyone's taught this on YouTube yet. This is a great one. So this is one like you hear like a lot of the Delta guitar players use and some of the jazz guys use too. So it goes 4 draw, 6 blow, back to 4 draw. And then you go 4 draw, bend, 6 blow, 4 draw, bend, and then 4 blow, 6 blow, 4 blow. I put a little 3 draw on the way down. Let's do it again. Ready? There's all kinds of different cool stuff you can do there, but that one's really cool. You can also do that one down below. Same notes, little different pattern. So I'm going 1 draw to 2 draw, back to 1 draw, then bending 1, going to 2 draw, back to 1 draw, bend. 1 blow, 2 draw, 1 blow. Same lick as. So again, the best way to fit it in is to practice your bar 9, practice your bar 10, your 5 chord on 9, your 4 chord on bar 10, and then start the lick and try to get it in with tagging the 5 on the last 2 beats. 5, 4, 1. Again. There you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching today. Please remember to check me out on Patreon. Becoming a Patreon patron keeps these videos going every week, no matter how busy I get, no matter how crazy my touring schedule is, no matter how many private students. I guarantee you guys a free instructional video every week. When you become a Patreon patron, you're contributing to that cause. So people that can't afford $1 a month, can't afford $5, whatever you can donate, people who can't afford that are benefiting from your generosity and from your charity. Thank you very much, Patreon patrons. Additionally, when you sign up to Patreon, you get behind-the-scenes info, not only on these videos, things that I forgot, things that were too long, but stuff that's going on with me. Behind-the-scenes drama of tour schedule stuff, booking agents, record label nonsense, all kinds of rants and raves that are not appropriate for the general public on YouTube are totally cool on Patreon. Sign up to Patreon today and become a patron. The link is below in the description box. Special thanks always to all of my sponsors. The Lone Wolf Blues Company. Today I was playing through the Harp Shield, the Harp Break, and the Flat Cat compressor. I put a little Lone Wolf reverb on there, and I was doing it all through my HG50 Harp Gear 410 amplifier that I use for everything. I got 2 of them. I love them so much. I'm playing Hohner harmonicas, and I'm using custom fancy parts from Tom Halchek. I got a custom comb here with my name on it, fancy custom cover plates. This is a Marine band with Frankenstein Special 20 covers all tricked out. It sounds great, it looks great. If you get your order in early, Tom will do some fancy reed work for you too. If not, you can get some cool custom combs and cool custom covers right from Tom Halchek at Blue Moon Harmonicas. Thanks again for watching my YouTube. Every single Friday, a free lesson right here on Jason Ricci's YouTube. Hit the subscribe button. There it is. Hit the subscribe button and subscribe below. Thank you guys very much. I appreciate it. I'll see you next Friday. Thank you.